Yeah, Cannibal says she ready.
She says she says she yeah, she says she ready. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. So many magnificent girls in this fete tonight. Whoa, oh, whoa. But from the looks, some of the girls just ain't doing it right. Give them a taste of the Trinbago flavor. Sing your bumper with the rhythm, gal. Go hold it back and giving gal. Lord, the foreign gal them mission. Show the man them what they missing. Let the people them know where you're from. Give them a Trini gal, wine gal, mash it. Too hard, the hot wine gal, so arch it up. Give me the wet and let me splash it up. So start up the truck and jam it. Then look to the gas and ram it. Don't care about the brakes, don't mind it. Just handle it, gal, handle it. You could if you want to flaunt it. It have plenty men who go hunt it. And me girl, I need that want it. So let me know the timing. She says she ready to get on. She came to my badness and she cheats. Say she's the whining. She says she ready to get on. Just come let me hold you tonight and make you feel right. Now is the time to whine, girl. Slow it down and grind. You're hot like the summertime. Sweat dripping all down your spine. I mean you can roll it, but tell the boss to control it. Cause if he don't, then another man go with it. Well, I teeth in a little tonight. I want you to come satisfy my wants and needs, girl. And I really want and need your time. So run the track, DJ, just set it up. Give me a beat, any beat, we go mash it up. Man, the fed too cool, we go blaze it up. Pull your rag and wave it up. So start up the truck and jam it. Then look to the gas and ram it. Don't care about the brakes, don't mind it. Just handle it, girl, handle it. You could if you want to flaunt it. It have plenty men who go hunt it. And me, girl, I need that want it. So let me know the timing. She says she ready to get on. She came to her badness and she cheats. Say she's the whining. She says she ready to get on. Just come let me hold you tonight and make you feel right. She two leg them just shaking. The bumper it just waiting to accustomed to gyrating, yeah. And she don't want no conversation. Too much of the frustration. She needs to set her mind on clear.